My name's Bex. I'm a prosthetic and orthotic technician, and I think it is the best job in the world. From day one, I was interacting with patients and helping people achieve whatever their dreams, goals, aspirations are in their rehab journey. Sometimes that's just walking, but sometimes that's becoming a model, going to the Paralympics. So it's just seeing some of the places that devices that I've made have ended up is just like mind-blowing. So a lot of my day involves problem solving. So people come to me with ideas, devices, what they'd like to make, and then I have to make that a reality using vacuum forming, laminations, and then we also have a lot of machinery to trim sockets down. We have to smooth them off. We have to make them really nice and comfortable. So there's a lot of different material science that I have to keep in my head at all times. And you would not imagine the joy on a boy's face when they realise that they can jump for the first time. It's just like, this is a job for me. If I get to see this, even just every now and again,